आमी आसा सध्या कांदोलीं हांगासर आनी तशेंच एक 19 तारखेर सारा खान आनी तेचो फ्रेंड डॉक्टर अभिषेक सिंग ही गोंयान हॉलिडेजाक येयल्ली आनी तशेंच तेंच्यांनी एक 5 स्टार हॉटेलान रूम घेतलेलो आनी तशेंच ती रातची एक अंजुना एका क्लबान पार्टेक गेल्ली थंयसर तेंच्यांनी ड्रग्स केले आनी जे सारा खान आसा ते ड्रग्स करून तेका ओवरडोस जालो आनी तेचो सद्या जीव क्रिटिकल कंडिशनान आसा आनी सद्या आयज कलंगूट पुलीस स्टाफ आनी तशेंच PI दत्तगुरू सावंत हे हांगासर तेच्या हॉटेलान इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनाक येल्ले आसा.
In suspected drugs overdose case, Kalangut police has registered FIR against accused Dr. Abhishek Singh and Sara Khan under NDPS Act for consumption of drugs. According to Kalangut police, both the accused had come to Goa as tourists on 19th November and had gone for a party in a club at Bagator. There only they purchased drugs from some unknown accused and consumed the drugs during the party. According to Kalangut police, when they returned to their hotel after party, health of Sara Khan deteriorated, but Dr. Abhishek initially ignored her health condition, which is why he has been again booked for endangering life of accused Sara Khan.